Hello and welcome to this lecture which I title, Gaming Products Affiliate Programs. Just as you can participate with game product software manufacturers and distributors to represent them as affiliates, you also have the opportunity to become an affiliate to numerous gaming device and accessory manufacturers and distributors, which can be a great way to round out your gaming-related website as you work to grow your online gaming business. Following are some ideas for you to consider and perhaps pursue as you start to build out your new venture. Let's start with Amazon. As the owner of the Twitch TV network, which Amazon offers through their Prime service, an Amazon affiliate partnership is a natural fit for anyone pursuing this online form of income generation. To sign up as an Amazon affiliate, which will allow you to market and sell virtually every product they market to the public, go to http://affiliate-program.amazon.com to sign up for an account. Once you have an affiliate account with them, it's easy to find and copy links and advertisements and banners for your website so you can start selling their products almost immediately. Please note, though, that you will get an Amazon affiliate ID on sign-up, and most of the link codes they offer come complete with their product advertisements and product information content. Commissions are not high when you work with them, but they are without a doubt the most trusted and comprehensive business partner that you can get as you start building out your online affiliate business. Now let's say you've signed up to become a game streamer on Twitch TV. Twitch allows you to place advertisements for your site, your products, your services, request donations, etc. in an area below where you stream. Here, it would be easy to place an Amazon ad or that of another gaming product vendor right on the page to earn you income from followers as you stream live content to them on the channel. In fact, some gaming product vendors have created banners and ad link ads specifically for Twitch TV that you can place on your stream to earn income from. And some of them have affiliate programs centered directly against the Twitch TV network. If you are popular on Twitch, you can garner higher percentage affiliate revenues, for example, or be eligible to get free products from these advertisers in the form of comps for your marketing efforts. Some advertisers even go so far as to check out your Twitch channel to view your content and popularity levels before deciding whether or not to work with you. So you may have to prove yourself first on that platform before you can earn income from certain vendors and manufacturers. But if you qualify, this can be a great revenue source for you. Now let's take a look at a few more vendors in this space that directly target the Twitch platform with their affiliate programs. Remember, there are many out there to choose from. These are just a few that I've placed here as examples, and as an added note, if you sign an agreement with them, you are usually able to also market them in other places, such as your own website, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, etc. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is VGPMB, and that stands for VideoGamesPayMyBills.com. These folks are heavily involved in the gaming industry and Twitch TV. Just going through a few of their website slides in this lecture, you'll be able to see that they offer everything from live streaming software to bots that you can use on Twitch, Twitch page overlays, video and audio creation and editing software, and more. Next, we have the Razer affiliate program. Committed to gaming, Razer offers a series of gaming-related products that you can earn commissions on, such as mice, keyboards, headsets, controllers, and more. Razer is a vendor that will check out your website and will determine if they will approve you as a vendor or not. So be sure to become established online first and be getting steady traffic to your site before approaching them for a relationship. Now we've got the SteelSeries affiliate program. Their flagship products are gaming headphones, but they do offer other related products as well. They pay out 8% commissions on sales that you bring to them as their standard percentage amount. They have tight rules in place for affiliate applications, and you pretty much need to be a recognized streamer, YouTuber, or social media personality to be accepted by them. And you also have to be able to display a love for gaming to be accepted. We then come to the Control Freak affiliate program. A maker of controllers and other gaming devices, Control Freak offers a 10% commission structure. But to be accepted as an affiliate, you will need to have at least 15,000 social media followers first. You'll need to be an active gaming streamer and be able to demonstrate a deep knowledge of the gaming industry to be accepted as an affiliate partner. Sennheiser, the headphone manufacturer, has an affiliate program for Twitch streamers and YouTubers that offers 6% commissions on sales. I've used Sennheiser headphones. They're quite good. Except for Amazon mentioned above, who owns Twitch TV, these are just a few advertisers that directly target YouTubers and Twitch streamers with their affiliate programs. Of course, you can also sign up with more general product vendor organizations to earn income from your channel or website. And I recommend that you watch my top 10 affiliate bulletin board sites video to find some of these additional vendors. That's all for this lecture. Bye for now.